Today we're going to be doing a really cool lesson about science and manufacturing.
We already know that science is cool, but what's so cool about manufacturing?
Right here in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania, there is an opportunity for those interested to be part of the future of fabrication of powdered metal. Metalcraft utilizes the PM process to make parts used by the automotive industry, from gas tank explosion to new truck tailgate systems, parts for steel brand chainsaws, among many other products that might be on the market today or are in development. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process for PM and see what you might need to know or do to join Metalcraft and their cool manufacturing team. There are 3 steps in the production of powder metal components. 1. Powder preparation. 2. Compaction. 3. Sintering. Metal powder is first formed and blended. The metal powder mixture is put into the molding press and compacted to form a green compound. Although each step is very important to the overall process, the sintering of the green compact utilizes very hot ovens and is one of the most important. It is during this step the metal powder particles are bonded together to form the final part. Just some of the many careers to consider involved in these processes include nitrogen delivery transport operators. Now that's cool! Liquid nitrogen is stored between negative 346 degrees and negative 320 degrees to be exact. We learned from our visit that if nitrogen gets below negative 346 degrees, it turns into a solid, and if it rises above negative 320 degrees, it boils and becomes a gas.
Your information made quite an impression on me. Get it? Impression? Like the pressed powdered metal?
What's so cool about manufacturing?